Hello Dumbarton Bake Off friends, my name is Mary. I'm the programs manager here at Dumbarton House, and today I'm a little terrified because we are making homemade donuts. This recipe comes from the Williamsburg Art of Cookery. We are making a Yankee cake, and this recipe is from 1831. So I've been drying our sugar out for a while. Hopefully it's dry enough. And then the recipe says to pound it. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm supposed to be doing, but we're gonna try this. Okay, so I'm sifting it, but this sifting is just making the brown sugar come out. So I think I'm going to abandon sift and try something else. Now I'm supposed to let the dough rise until it is, quote, well risen. So I'm going to transfer it into a different bowl and then put it in a warm oven and we'll see what happens. Okay, they are fresh out of the oven. I think we may seem kind of crispy on the outside, but I think it might be underdone on the inside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is straight dough. Okay, we're gonna fry everybody else up for a little bit longer. Excellent. Okay, so I did just nibble on the edge of this one, which is not quite done, but just for the flavor, and it's quite good. So you can see all my beautiful not cooked through burnt attempts. We are going to turn the temperature down, see if we can go a little longer, and hopefully, fingers crossed, get them to cook all the way through. Okay, so final confessional on the donuts. Get them from a store. The dough tastes fine. It's kind of weird. I could never get them to cook right, no matter what temperature I fried them at, or how thick or thin or small or big I made them. So I recommend that you leave this to the professionals and go enjoy them outside of your home, because it's gonna smell like lard in here till the end of time. So I hope all of you have a delightful week, and we will see you again soon for the Great Dumbarton Bake Off.